Hey friends, you've probably seen those cool AI action figures popping up all over LinkedIn and TikTok lately, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own with one single prompt. It's super quick and easy, and it's completely free. So if you're ready to join the trend, hit that like and let's dive in. First up, open ChatGPT. You can use your mobile app or desktop version, both will work. Just make sure you're using the GPT-4o model. The free version works just fine, but you might have limited generations per day. Next, you need to pick a photo that you want to make into the action figure. To upload the photo, just click the plus icon next to the chat bar and you can upload your picture. Then you just need to type a prompt. You can simply copy and paste the prompt I've included in the description. That works really well for me, but of course, you can customize it. And here, let me show you the prompt. So my prompt is actually super detailed, but I've tested it several times and you will have really good results with this. So just copy and paste the prompt and fill in your info. Now, once you have the prompt, just hit send, and this will take a few seconds to maybe even 1 minute or two, because ChatGPT has to work its magic, right? And after that, you will see your results. So just look at that. For me, this looks pretty cool. And of course, you can be creative and include accessories that represent you. So for example, if you're a foodie, maybe you can add a tiny pizza, some chopsticks, or a chef's hat. Or if you're a music lover, maybe you can include headphones, a microphone, or concert tickets. Just be creative and really think about what kind of things represent you. Or you can make a few different versions and just decide which one you like the best. So pro tip here, if you have been using ChatGPT a lot and you don't really know what kind of objects to choose to represent you, you'll be surprised how much it knows about you. So you can just ask it, what accessories represent me? And it will give you some great options. Now, once you have your action figure, you can now share this with your social media, or you can even make one for your friends and family to surprise them. And if you're not happy the first time with the results, just ask ChatGPT to try something else. For example, you can ask to change the background color or have your figure do something different. So I actually want to show you one more thing. If you're looking to take this even further, you can use animation tools like Kling AI to animate your action figure and make it even more eye-catching for social media. But that's a bit more advanced though, so we'll save that for another video. For now, just have fun creating your static action figure and experimenting with different prompts. If you found this quick tutorial helpful and you want to see more cool AI trends and tips, make sure you like this video and hit that subscribe button. I've got another playlist with other cool AI tools, so check that out if you're interested. So have fun creating your action figures, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!